Hello my friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I will show you a new cryptocurrencies which are start moving upward at this time in the crypto market, which is the SafeMoon. So in this video I will show you the live price prediction, the price change occur in the last 7 day, the last 1 day, and the last 1 hour. What's the price change goes and the SafeMoon. In this video I will show you the live. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest updates about SafeMoon cryptocurrencies. As you can see now on the screen friends, that is a live price predictions occur in a SafeMoon and the previous last 7 day. As you know, they are loading, so if you are not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe my channel. And I have surprise news for all SafeMoon holders friends. I'm deciding to I will do a giveaway of 100 SafeMoon coin in this month. And this month when I reach 3k subscriber, I directly announce the giveaway of SafeMoon coin. So ready for it and stay connected with the ABS Tech channel for this giveaway friends. After that is the, as you can see now on the screen, that is the last 1 week, last 7 day price prediction of the SafeMoon or occurs. The change occur in the SafeMoon as negative 2.29% change occur in the last 1 week in the SafeMoon, and the high price of the SafeMoon as very less because they are new at this time. Dollar 0.000002 is the high price of SafeMoon in the last 7 day phase. If you look the current price of the SafeMoon, so the current price is very high according to the last 7 day high price. Dollar 0.000008. Sorry, they are also less. Sorry, I'm sorry. They are also, I'm joking for all of you. So the 7 day price prediction, if we look the chart analysis, so the chart analysis also in the file. As you can see here, that's a high position of the SafeMoon in our cryptocurrency markets. That's a high position, and now currently position is very bad of SafeMoon. So that's clear for all of you that, and now currently SafeMoon are falls down. Now let's see the last 1 day price prediction. What's the change goes and the last 1 day. As I told you in the start of this video, the absolutely complex structure, the complex change occur in a SafeMoon, complicated, very complicated. As you can see here, what's going on in the charts. The chart that will make you mad. What's change occur in the SafeMoon. If you look, the change occur in the SafeMoon is absolutely bad, negative 15.55% change occur in the SafeMoon, and the high price is also a very less. Dollar 0.000001 is the high price of SafeMoon. That's the price prediction. The last 1 day price prediction, last 1 day price change occur in the SafeMoon you're watching now friends. If you look the change occur in the SafeMoon, the chart tells us, as you can see here, complex structures occur. They take a jump for a little time, and after a little jump they again start explosion. As you can see here, take a little jump, again falls down, take a little. Complex structures occur in the SafeMoon friends. And now currently at this time they are also falls at this time. Now that's last 1 day price prediction. Now let's see the last 1 hour price prediction. And what's going at this time in the SafeMoon coin. What's the currently change, what's the currently price, what's the currently high price of SafeMoon at this time. As you can see here, they are loading, so wait for it. Oh my goodness, now at this time they are also in the falls and very badly falls down. Oh my goodness, what's going on at that. SafeMoon change is negative 2.29% change occur in the last 1 hour friends, and the high price is absolutely very less. Dollar 0.000008 dollar, very high 00. That is why I'm confused, so read it yourself. So friends, if you look, as you can see here, very badly falls occur in the SafeMoon. What's going at this time? As you can see here, now they are also in the falls. So friends, it's time to decide. It's the best time to buy, sell, or hold SafeMoon. Friends, according to the price prediction, as you know, the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 7 day price prediction, price change is also a negative. So my suggestion for all of SafeMoon holder, if you are a holder, so as you know, the changes is a negative always, so they are also in the low. So if you want to sell it, so you that's not good for all of you, and if you hold it, so I think it's good for all of you. So my suggestion for all of you to hold it. Maybe they explode in the future, maybe they start pumping in the future, so wait for it. It's the best time. Wait for it. It's a big explosion, and just hold it with the last of this one. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest and updates.